Let's see here, from the group Fat Wet Dog Cosplay, everyone has a funny wiener circle story, so to speak.
Hey everyone! I wanted to come out here and let you all know that we have the best cosplay any of you have ever seen anywhere. We're talking musical extravaganza with song and dance and all the yaoi and innuendo you can fit on one cosplay stage. Well, I wanted to, but honestly, since entering the Hyatt, my group has been dropping faster than ratings on the Fox Kids network. Short, around 3 o'clock, Con Security showed up, and now I have to enter the cosplay by myself. So, thank you!
Thank you. It is